Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil, and in this video you will be seeing what are the types of modes in Python. There are two types of modes in Python. The first one is interactive mode. Interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate feedback for each statement. Let us see it through an example. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type Python 3 or Python. Then it displays 3 greater than symbols, which is nothing but chevron prompt. It is also known as chevron prompt. This 3 greater than symbol is Python's way of telling you that you are in interactive mode. Interactive mode, it gives immediate output for each single line statement. Let us type 1 plus 1 to the output, which is 2. Store the values in A and B. A equals to 2, B equals to 3, and now adding the values A plus B. As you can see, it displays 5. In this case, the values of A and B are from active memory state. But once if you log out of your terminal, and getting back to terminal again, say Python 3, and if you want to get the A value, it says name A is not defined. It's because it's not in the active memory. We can also do this from Python's IDLE. IDLE is nothing but integrated development environment. Open your IDLE and type 1 plus 1. That's it. The output is 2. Mode is script mode, which is also known as normal mode. This is a mode in which the Python commands are stored in a file, and the file is saved using the extension .py. Let us see it through an example. Open your text editor. Type A equals to 2. B equals to 3. Add equals to A plus B. Print add. Now save this file with .extension py. In your desktop, go to terminal and type cd desktop. Now type Python 3 space addition.py. As you can see, the output 5. Unlike script mode, interactive mode cannot have multiple line statements, so it's better to use script mode. So that's it for the video, guys.
I'm in love with the cocoa.